Good day, divergence traders. How we all doing today in the hood? In the trading divergence hood. Okay, where's the trade for today? Where's the open? Here's the baton. The open baton, where they get everybody buying up here. They get everybody selling down here. Okay, but see, first they got them buying up here, and they took it down here and freaked them out and got them to jump out. Then we had people selling down here, and it went back up. Why did it go back up? So they could scare the shit out of you again. Again. That's what they freaking do. That's why you gotta be careful. So, here is the trade. It's hidden divergence. And the arrow would go right there. Me, I would wait for it to break this powerful whole number of 15,000. So right here, this is where I would sell. Okay? So if you got in just a few points down, I would have put my stop up here, 58 points. Did we get the 58 points? Oh, yeah. We got 94 all the way down there. 120 points, did we get it? Oh, yeah, down there. If you would have waited, you would have got your 2-to-1. Did we get 160? Oh, yeah, there's your 3-to-1 win-loss ratio, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, let's look at the 1 minute now. All right. Now you want to ask yourself, was there divergence to sell here? Oh, yeah, there was. Let me make that bigger there. I don't know why I shrunk that up so much. The divergence is, let me show you. We got high and higher highs. See that? And we have a high and a lower high on the indicator. So that is going up. That is going down. That's divergence. So if you sold right in here, basically the same spot as the 5 minute, down it went. 96 points. Just like that. That's all the ones I'm going to cover. I wouldn't have bought it here, even though it's divergent, okay? Double bottom up to the 900 level, right? And we have divergence there, okay? Now, I wouldn't buy here because on the 5 minute, the five was below the 7. And it did not look like it was going up. And guess what? It was a buy fake, and down it came, okay? That's why I'm showing you I wouldn't have took that on the 1 minute. You gotta follow the main trend, and if you just concentrate on the 1 minute, it's gonna get you in trouble. That's what it's gonna do. I just want to show you something else here today. This is the very first trading system I developed back in 2008. It is called Forex Pipsnagger. This is Forex Pipsnagger 2.0, okay? And it helps you to keep with the trend. So anyway, in here, there was no buying. There was no buying here. There's no buying here or here. Even here, there was no buying, okay? Because this is a moving average, 21, okay? And this is another moving average, number 5, okay? And we have the filter at the bottom, which, I don't know. To me, it's kind of pointless. But it was there. Some people need more than, one thing confirming that they want to take the trade. And it was very popular back then to have an oscillator in the bottom, right? So anyway, this 2.0 came out in 2017. Yeah, and Anyway, so this would have been the entry up here. And down it went, 232 points. Now, you could do trades inside of here. Any pullback, you can do a trade. But you can't buy because this line is red. It's saying don't buy, don't buy. Don't buy here, don't buy here. Don't buy here, or here, or here. Even though this one worked out and it came up, so what? Don't buy it because we have a red line. Okay, I just wanted to show you my Forex Pipsnagger system that I developed, and believe me, there was thousands, more than thousands, I would say like over 100,000 traders knew about this system back then, and a lot of them bought the system from me. Okay, I'm not trying to sell it to you today. Don't worry about that. I'm just sharing some history. But anyway, it was a good system, and at that time, there was a lot of scammers. Let me tell you. And I traded for years before I developed this system. You know, a trader friend of mine said, "Oh, you should, make a system and sell it." I go, "I'm not just gonna make some system just to sell it and try and make money off people." I said, "I want it to be good, a good system, something that works." And believe it or not, at that time when this system came out, it was like, was it the first or second week of November 2009? Don't mind me, I have a crazy memory for remembering that stuff. Crazy, I remember still all this stuff, even from 40 years ago, and I've had 3 strokes. I guess that didn't affect my memory, but it sure did numb my freaking numbskull. I tell you that. The whole left side of my head is numb. Same with my left hand, and yeah, life kind of sucks today. But it's funny how I remember all these things from way back then. But anyway, this is my Pipsnagger system. I'm sure if you wanted to buy it, you could buy it off of one of those sites, that sells you stuff for $10 that used to sell for 100. Oh yeah, they're out there. I ain't gonna say their names. But anyway, just want to show that my system here still works today. That was 13 going on 14 years ago. Yeah, man, it still works. Okay, let's take a look at the setups here. Let's go back to our divergence charts. Here we are. And yeah, see, I drew that line there. Like that. Oh yeah, I made a mess of this here. Sorry, I'm a little slow today. Where was that trade? Oh yeah, it was right here, and yeah, right there. Or no, it was right here. It was like this. Divergence, right there, and down it went. And then, it's doing its whatever over here. Let's now look at the Dow. Look at the Dow. Beautiful, beautiful. How's the trade up here? See that? This high and higher high, lower high on the awesome of choice, and down it went. That was a good trade. And what did we have here? We had a double wick, double bottom. Double bottom wickers right here. Yes, it's a low and lower low, but still, same thing. Right here. You would have got in right on the opening of this candle. Okay? Even though there's a lot of traders who go, why would I want to buy up there? I want to buy down here. Yeah, do what you want. You'll do it anyways. This is the way I've been trading this. 64-point stop, okay? And in the first 5 minutes, you got back 50 of those 64 points that you risked. Right up there. There's your 1-to-1. 64 and 64 is 128. There you go, 130 pips. There's your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. Gotta love that. Alrighty then. And you could have bought some dips along the way. Deep dips, see? Right here. Buy right here. It would have freaked you out, but it went up and gave you profit. Right here. Would have bought right here. 20 minutes later, you would have had profit. And that's it. Here's another one here. Boom. Here's another one. Another one. Another one. See how it does retracement, then they take it higher. It does retracement, then they take it even higher. But the important thing is that they take it higher than the last swing high. Take it. See that? Right here, retracement. They take it above this high. Right here. Take it above. Right here. They take it above. Right here, they take it above. You got to know how to follow the stair step or waves, as Elliott Wave would say, to do your trades. Okay, let's look at the S&P. Oh, look at the S&P. Oh, look at that. It bounced off the BWAP there. Look at that triple bottom. Wow. Okay, let's show. First things first. Right here. This is the opening. And right there, just like the other one. See the blue doodah right there. So with this one, excuse me, full of loogies today in my throat. They're sticking to my vocal cords today. So because you had a big, slap down, smack down, you'd wait for a retracement, or you can get in here too. You wait for a retracement. When it came right back up to here, boom, you sell it. And down it goes. 13 points. Your stop was 5. Okay. Then we had a triple bottom, just like that. And like that. Here's one of those ones that are just screaming at you. Buy! Buy now! See that? The big valley, then the little tiny creek. Let's call it a creek. This is the deep river. Okay, the valley from the mountains above. And here's the little creek, the little river. Okay, let's go, let's go. Triple bottom, let's go. Right in there. You would have bought that sucker right there. Your stop would have been 9 points. Did we get 9 points? Oh, almost 8 points. Then a retracement. Okay, back to this. I just had to hack up some more loogies, and we're sticking to my vocal cords. Mode Z. All right, so you would have bought here. The stop was 9 points, and you got your 9 points right there. Thank you very much. All right, let's look at oil. Oh, nice trend up with oil. Did we have divergence? Oh, yeah. Let me just shrink that for you and show you. Oh, that's looking a little ugly. You had divergence right here, right? Went up, and then they took it back down. To do what? To get all the stops, because they know where I want to say the F word, but they know where all the fooking orders are, which were right below the main pivot level of today. The bastards, they go gold digging all the time, and they dig up people's gold and steal it. Anyway, that's what I call level divergence, but I'll put it on there. Right here to here. And right here to here. See, it's going across like pretty much level. Okay, it's not perfect, but anyway, so if you got long in here, we're brave to get long in here right at $71. Yeah, it went up 150, went up to 72.50 a barrel. So anyway, you would have had to wait to get through this first, all this crap and this crap, and then up it went. But if you didn't do that, you said, hey, I'm going to wait for a confirmation. Well, this sucker right here, oh yeah, it was at the stock market open. It popped up, pulled back. Right on the close of this lower closing candle, you would have got long. That's your first dip to buy. And look at that. Up it goes, 56 points. Here's the second one to buy. Once price comes down to the 5, and up it goes, another 50 points. And that's it. I would have gave up after that. Okay, let's look at the pound yen. Oh, look at the pound yen. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Like this to the pullback. Right here to the pullback. And you would have got in right there. Yep. Right there, somewhere in there. And up it went. 67 points. And there's more dips to buy along the way. Okay? So right here, this lower closing candle, you bought it, up it goes. Another lower closing candle, buy it, up it goes. Another lower closing candle, buy it, struggled, but then it finally went up. And then we have counter trend divergence of today. Right there. I wouldn't have taken this trade, and I'll show you why in a second. So you would have got in somewhere in there, somewhere in here at $1.81. Did I just say barrel over there? Oh, I'm not on that chart now. I'm on the pound yen. Wake up, Jason! Wake up! You better get that numb side of your numbskull head working again. Okay, so you would have sold it in here somewhere. Stop would have been 27 points. Did you get your 27 points? Oh, yeah. Went down 38. Okay, but I'll show you why I never would sell up here. I would here, but not here. Let me show you why. Go to the 15-minute. There we go. When it gave the signal to sell right here, was the 5 below the 7? No, it wasn't. We were in a strong uptrend. And for all we know, when I gave this sell here, it could have stopped, went a little bit lower to here, and then just took off back up to the high of the day, which is over here, which it looks like it might be doing right now. Okay? So this is why I would not sell, even though it worked out. You're better off taking the trades with the trend, not against the trend. Okay? All right. Let's go to the euro yen. And we have lower lows right there. And we have a higher one over there. And right in between, this is the euro yen. Anytime is a trade. Anytime between 2 o'clock in the morning and 11 o'clock, you know, near lunchtime. That's the time to trade. That's why I have these different shaded blocks here. This is when the UK session stops. This is when the US session starts at 8 o'clock. And I have it till 12 noon right here. You don't want to trade. You want to trade right in the middle of this block here. From 9 o'clock to like 10:30, 11, that's where you want to trade. Right in here. Here, let me just draw this. No, I don't need to draw. That's getting a little childish. Okay. Let's move on now to gold. Wow, look at that inverse head and shoulders, eh? You see it? There's the shoulder. There's the other shoulder. And there's the freaking head right there. Buy it right there. Up it goes. Inverse head and shoulders. But also, okay, oh yeah, you're gonna fook with me, aren't you? Fook off. There we go. Just like that. And like that. Entries way the fook up here. Most people, they'd never buy up here. It came up 83 points. I needed to buy it down here. But when it's down here, how in the fuck did you know it was going to go up here? See? That's the way support and resistance traders trade. Sorry, I don't like support and resistance traders. I hate them because they trade against what I believe in. They're always trading. If it's going up, they're selling. They're selling the highs and bring it back down. If it's going down, they're buying the lows and bringing it back up. That's what these motherfuckers do over and over and over again. Drives me crazy. Oh, fuck, I'm yelling too much. Sorry, I'm swearing too much. Sorry about that. Anyway, the trade was right there to buy it. So if you bought it right there, your stop would be 80 points, 80 pips, or 80 points. We're looking at gold. And it went up 38, and it came down against you 29. And it still never hit the target. Came close. 8 pips, points off. Okay, let's look at the pound now. Calm down, Jason. Take a breath. Everything's okay. Everything's okay. Okay. Okay, here we go. We have double top. Ooh. Sometimes you'll find my voice gets very loud. I want to apologize about that. But ever since I had the shot and I had my 3 strokes, I can't breathe too good. I have breathing problems. Yeah, for those of you who are awake, you know what I'm saying. So anyway, so that's why sometimes, because I can't breathe good, that's why I'm like screaming out my words, because it's the only way I can get my words out. So I apologize if you experience high up and down levels of my voice. Just turn down the volume a little bit. You'll be okay. Oh, shit. Sorry about that. Okay. You want to sell right there, right? Yeah, sell right there. Boom. Went against you about 8 pips. Stop was 16. Yeah, this is the pound. 16 pips. Guess what? Never went down 16. Went down 15. Then we had low and lower lows. This is the last trade right here. Actually, there's one more. I'll show it to you. I just saw it now. You see, when you're trading, right? See, I'm just looking for them right now. See? But if I was staring at this chart for the last half an hour, I would know from right here, I would know, okay, we're going to do a sell. And sure enough, it went down. And then once price got down here, I would say, oh, look what we have here. We have low and lower lows now again, right here. And first I look at the candles, then I look at the OSMA, and I see it. And then I wait for the cross up, the 5 to cross up above the 7. I wait for the bullish candle, like right here, and I look to get in. So believe me, if I was looking at this chart in real time, I would have done this trade and this trade because I see it before it occurs. I know what to look for. And that's what I'm trying to teach you here. But anyway, that's how you do it. It's not hindsight like a lot of you might think. It's not. Even though I'm showing you after the fact, okay, I don't call that hindsight. What I call hindsight is going, oh, okay, it's gonna go up here. Or, oh, I think they're gonna sell off here now and it's gonna go back down. You see what I'm saying? That's hindsight. Okay, there's one more trade. Let me show you. Right here, right here. It's like that. Like that. And that was divergent. You would have got in right there. Buy it right there. It would have went up right away. Eight pips. Then it would have went against the S7 and it came down S to S1. And then now, as you can see, our stop was how much? 13 pips. It's went up 22 pips. Another couple pips, you got your 2 to 1. Okay. That's it for today. A little late with the video today there, but I was trading. Okay, so thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Once again, this is Jason Sweezy, who teaches you how to trade divergence. Good luck and good trading.